Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. We all love Mother Earth, but we should also get the responsibility to take care of the Mother Earth. Do you know fruit peels waste is one of the waste accumulate in huge quantity every day. It is a serious problem and need to be managed to make environment free from pollution. Fruit peels are very rich in macro and micronutrients that are beneficial for plant growth. So today we will talk about one of the fruit peels used as a plant fertilizer. By using fruit peel as fertilizer, we can reduce load of waste and can get more benefits than inorganic fertilizer. Today I will share about how to use papaya peels as an fertilizer for your plants. Most of us love eating papaya as a fruit, but we don't use the peels to make the fertilizer most of the time. My mom is grinding it, but she does not want it into a fine paste. So you can grind it like this. We can use banana peel, orange peel, pomegranate peel, mango peel, lemon peel, grapefruit peel, apple peel and papaya peel to make a great fertilizer. Put the papaya peels into the jar. My mom also added 10 ml of Bioenzyme. The Bioenzyme helps in composting the papaya peels faster. If you don't know how to make Bioenzyme, we have already uploaded in our channel about how to make Bioenzyme, so you can go and watch that video. After that, you must simply close the cap and then keep it in a shaded area for 7 days. After 7 days, you can use it in your plant diluted with water. The utilization of fruits peel for effective growth of plants and higher yield by mainly focusing on nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. These fruit peels have nutrients like potassium, iron, zinc, calcium, citrate content, etc. This organic fertilizer produced from papaya fruit peel is a rich source of crop plant nutrient and soil beneficial microbes which are needed to maintain soil balance, enhance plant growth and well-being, increase fruit production and ultimately ensure food security. Or you can also use the papaya peel in your composting bin. But in composting bin, it takes minimum 90 days to compost. You can also use papaya peel dry powder fertilizer in your soil. You can use it in your flowering plant, vegetable plant and in your fruit plants as well. As humans like different food every day and taste it differently, plants also taste and they want some different fertilizer. So you can apply it in your garden and change the plant's growth. Next video, I will talk about how to make sweet lemon peel fertilizer. Sometimes people say that this video is too long, but we are trying to give all the information about papaya peel fertilizer. I hope from now onwards you won't waste your papaya peel anymore. And you will also help to save our environment. If you want to watch videos about cats, then you can go to our other channel, Chhoti Bangla blog, to watch more videos. If you like our videos, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.